Okay, guys, this is something you gotta pretty much see. I mean, seriously, it's spring, and yet it is hailing out. It's hailing fucking Dippin' Dots. I'm not kidding. They look like Dippin' Dots out there. I don't even know what to describe this. It's fucking Dippin' Dots. Rain, the almighty Dippin' Dots. Rain. Seriously. This is just downright crazy. But hey, it's interesting. Let me know what you think, guys. Has this ever happened to you? Or has it happened to you right now? Let me know.